Some of the signs of grinding and clenching, gum recession is one of them. We see the roots exposed. There's wear on the roots of the teeth flattening, people having headaches. Some people have pain in the TMJ area, which is right in front of your ear. And some people feel soreness when they push against the jaw muscles as well as on the side of the temple. So these are all victims of some sort of grinding and clenching. Night guards are basically a full arch upper retainer. You wear it at night and then you take it out in the morning. At night, you don't have control over if you're clenching, but this will naturally do it for you. It's a barrier between your top and bottom teeth, so that way you cannot be grinding on your teeth and making the wear go worse.